members have access to a special member directory. You can build your contact list using the directory. When you click on the Directory tab, you are taken to the Member Directory page. Using the basic search option, you can search other members by first or last name, company name, or email address. You can also do an advanced search if you have specific criteria you're looking for. The advanced search option provides a wider search field within the member directory. You can search by location, community group they belong to, such as special interest groups, education, languages, and others. Select through the fields or leave them blank and/or type in any keyword on the search page to broaden or narrow your search. Be sure to scroll down on the page and hit Find Members to apply your search fields. Once you find the members you're looking for, you can add them as a contact. This creates an organized list in your profile where you can easily access who you're looking for. To add a member, click the Add as Contact button. Once the member accepts your request, that member will be saved into your contact list.